You gotta see this one. It's got enough room for the whole team. Isn't that right, fellas? Oh, that's right, coach. Gotcha. Yeah, coach. I like this one. Yeah, coach, this place rocks. I like the green, coach. Hey, what do you think? I like it. Something's off. Can't wait till it's winter and this water freezes. Then we can play some hockey. All right, team. Time out on that for a second. Let's take a look at this beautiful home. Welcome to 2759 Maplewood Drive. This fully renovated residence offers a perfect blend of modern luxury and comfortable living. The main floor features an open concept layout. The main bedroom boasts an ensuite bathroom. Now check out this basement. This full basement offers versatility to anybody because it's got 2 extra bedrooms. Now step outside to discover the newly constructed deck and an in-ground pool that promises to have endless hours of family entertainment. So if you like what you see here, make sure you reach out to me today. All right, until next time, I'll see you next video.